Hello guys and welcome to TechRex tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to set timer on Microsoft Form quiz. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Microsoft Forms right here. And once we do that, let's create a new quiz right here, which is this one. Click this one. And then after that, you will be redirected to another tab. And then after that, you can just start with choice, text, rating, and something like that. And then after that, I'm just gonna choose this one. And then after that, go to settings, which is right here. Click settings, and then click this set time duration, which is right here. So you can set whether if you want this quiz to be answered within 1 hour or within 30 minutes, it's up to you. And once you're now done with this, all you have to do is to click this one, and then if you want to also do this start date and end date, you can also do that. You can also edit that right here, the date and then at the time. And then as you can see right here, I now have already the timer, which is right here. And then after that, you are now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.